imagine going back 25 years. So you can go back to 2000 and pay today what you were paying in 2000. Would you do it? In a heartbeat. So you have the chance today to buy a system and lock in the price for your electrical power for the next 25 years. Hi, my name is Rod Perry. We live in South Ogden, Utah. So it was very common in the summer to get electrical bills $200 to $250. And I looked up our last two bills this summer are $19 and $25. So a significant savings. But if you really look at solar strategically, what I found out is I'm an independent producer of my own energy. I'm in charge of my energy costs. So if you drive a gasoline car and gas goes to $8 a gallon, guess what you're going to pay? There's no alternative. There's no competition. All the gas stations charge the same, and it's the same with utility electrical. If Rocky Mountain Power gets that 30% increase that they want to get, you're going to pay 30% more. But I've come to realize that when we purchased this system 5 years ago, our energy cost is now fixed for 25 years. So from 2020 to 2045, I know what we're going to spend every year, basically, and it's always going to get better. Every year, it's gotten better. So that to me is the real advantage, is I'm now independent of these big companies that kind of squeeze us when it comes to gasoline and electricity. The number one cause of inflation in the United States in the first half of 2025 is electrical power. It's going up, and it's because of all the data centers and the continued consumption of electricity. Electrical power is just predicted to go up 30-40% between now and 2030. That's 5 years. So take a look. Even if I had to pay extra for a few years, I'd still do it, because in the long run, you're in control of your costs and you can fix them. And there's very few household expenses that you can fix for that period of time. There's been zero downside. It was a day to install it. The work's been done professionally. If I look on the side of my house, the work that ES Solar was actually better than the original electrical work. So there's no qualitative issues with the installation, and we've saved money. So I know there's a lot of noise in the world about things like solar and is it really good or bad, or you need to get the right company. And I think that's probably the key. Find the right company and then commit, and do it now before the incentives on the panels goes away.